Hello glossy family, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I wash my hair with the help of aloe vera gel and avocado. I've prepared the mixture, so let's see how it goes. So guys, this is what you'll be needing: fresh aloe vera gel or frozen one. In my case, I use a frozen aloe vera gel. Then one avocado, probably half we just do, some coconut oil, and a bowl for mixing. So these are my fresh aloe vera, but I didn't use them. I wanted to use the frozen ones which I have in the freezer. So guys, all I did was to defroze my aloe vera gel. I just brought it out from the fridge and allow it to melt, not gradually defrozen naturally. Then I took my aloe vera, I sectioned it, cut it into two, then remove the pulp or scoop it out. Then all I did was to put them in a bowl. Then with the help of a blender, I blended it. I added coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, any oil that you have or you think will suit your hair. I use coconut oil. Let me say, I don't like using coconut oil on my hair because sometimes it leaves my hair a kind of bit, give me this sensation of dryness, even if my hair is well moisturized. So I don't like coconut oil. I don't know if anybody has the same experience or the same sensation with me. Let me know on the comment section. So guys, please pardon my voice. I have cough, so this kind of dim my voice, so my voice is not that clear. What I'm going to do, as you can see, most of my videos are self-explanatory. These are tips that I use, natural tips that I use, and it has helped me because I didn't use it once. This is something I do consistently, and I'm happy. I always use myself, use my hair, use my face to show you how free and harmless they are. But the fact that they are natural ingredients does not mean someone out there is not allergic to it. Please pay attention to it. If you know you are using or you are trying any of my tips and you know sure well that you might be or you are allergic to any of the ingredients, please keep those ingredients, or better still, check for other recipe which are other DIYs which I have on my channel. The video is self-explanatory. As you can see, I'm adding my coconut oil. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend it into a very creamy texture, just the way you've seen it. Make sure it is very, very smooth. So this is my hair mask and it is ready. You can see it is smooth. Make sure it is very smooth. It is important because if you leave any particles, it might take you eternity to remove those particles from your hair. So it is an hair mask, aloe vera gel and avocado hair mask, and this is a rich protein food for your hair. Boost your hair and keep your hair shiny and beautiful. So guys, thanks for watching this far, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing if you find my content interesting, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think on this of this video. Thanks for supporting me. Okay guys, thanks a lot. So guys, this is my hair. This is how it looks. This is my hair. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my hair off cameras and condition my hair off cameras. Then I will come back to show you how I applied my avocado mix with aloe vera gel on my hair. Okay guys, stay tuned and please don't forget to hit the subscription button if you find my content interesting. My name is Susan and you are watching Glossy Tips. Bye guys. The Glossy family, I'm back. I just finished washing my hair with my favorite brand of shampoo and conditioner, in which I'm going to leave the pictures either here or here of my favorite shampoo and conditioner. Believe me, that conditioner is a go. That brand is amazing and it works perfectly for all types of hair. Okay guys, now I'm back. I'm sorry I don't have a mirror which I'm going to see what I'm doing, but I have this is my purse, should I call it purse mirror, small mirror. So I'm going to use this to wash my application. All right guys, thanks for watching and God bless you. So guys, I'm about to apply my mask on my hair. This is a mixture of aloe vera and avocado fruit hair mask. So this mask is great for your scalp. It's going to nourish your scalp, feed your scalp, cleanse and nourish, moisturize your hair follicles, to strengthen your hair. Once your hair follicles are in a great shape, your hair will boost, your hair will grow strong, your hair will grow rapidly. So guys, this mask is a go. If you want to try it, you just don't do it once and expect a miracle. It doesn't work that way. I insist on this fact that it has to be consistent. You have to be using it frequently, maybe once in a month or twice in a month to get best result. So guys, I'm just struggling to apply my mask because I don't have a mirror at my front, so often my head is bent because I'm trying to see what I'm doing in order not to mix myself up or stain myself with the mixture. I was just extra careful about that. So guys, this is all I'm going to be doing, applying my mixture. As you can see, the video is self-explanatory. And if you are wondering what about my edges, I've said it and I will keep saying it. Forget my edges. They refuse to listen to me. They refuse to obey me. So I left them that way. I've tried everything I could. I've tried different remedies for my edges. I was consistent about it, but they refused coming out. I just believe, or I just suggested, maybe they are cool that way, and that is fine by me. I stopped losing sleep over my edges because they refused to grow long time ago. All I do now is just to make sure my hair is well nourished, or my hair, my scalp is well clean, no dandruff or no inches or no irritations. I just feed them with natural food and natural remedies. So that is fine. And if my edges don't seem to appreciate them, it is cool by me. So guys, if you're wondering why my hair is long this way, I have natural long hair, but I've relaxed it. This is not a natural C4, how you call it. So my relaxing brand, let me say for more than 19 years now, I've been using one particular relaxer. Let me say 19 to 18 years, one particular relaxer. It is on different rare occasions that I change or I use a different relaxer, simply because when I got to the salon or when I went out to the store to retouch my hair, getting there, they said, sorry ma, we don't have your relaxer. We have this if you want to try. I was like, oh no, I hate changing, or I don't love the idea of changing relaxer, different relaxer brands on my hair. So my favorite relaxer is pink. I use pink regular, the regular type of it, and that is what I'll be using as long as the company keeps producing pink. So if you're asking, do I retouch often? No sis, no bro, I don't. I retouch 3 times a year, maximum 4 times a year. I have a lot of undergrowth hair. I do protective styles. I braid a lot. I hardly fix weave on because I'm one person that I don't like disturbing my hair. I don't like disturbing my hair. just like it irritates me if I have to fix my hair 2 times a week, a month. It irritates me. With my 2 times a month, it irritates me. So most often I'm always on comb and go. Comb and go, you know what I mean? Wash it regularly every week, then comb and go. Moisturize it and go. That is me. So guys, as you've seen, I'm done. I think I tried very well. Watching the video now, I'm seeing that I was able to apply the marks all over my hair successfully without staining myself, despite the fact that there was no mirror for me to watch what I was doing. I was just using that pocket mirror or makeup mirror, post mirror, I don't know how you will call it. So I just use it and continue with my application. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to use a shower cap to cover my hair, and this I'll wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So the longer you wait, the better it is. So this choice is yours. If you have the time, you can wait for 1 hour plus. If you don't have the time, 45 minutes is just cool. Believe me, when I say 45 minutes, it's just cool. So guys, as you see, I'm going to wait. Then after which, I will come in and show you my final look, how my hair looks after this treat.